kind are they? They're vertical, okay? So they're right across from each other, one's in, one's out, so they're gonna be a vertical, so we're just gonna say V. Number 3, what kind of angles are those? They're also a vertical, so you're just gonna say V. Okay, number 5.
Alternate interior.
Good job. So alternate interior, so they're gonna be AI. Okay, 7, what kind of angles are those? Same side. So is that equal or minus 180? Minus 180. So you're going to say 180 minus 52. 180 minus 52.
128.
128? Okay, number 9. What kind of angles are those? Alternate interior. So those equal or minus 180?
Equal.
They're equal. So if the one is 117, the other is 117. Okay, 11. What kind of angles are those?
Corresponding.
They're corresponding. So are those equal or minus 180?
Equal.
Equal. So if the one is 84, the other is 84. If you don't know, what should you guess? The same, whatever they give you, okay? So I don't want to say the same because then that sounds weird, but, okay, so for like, if it's, I don't know, 82, then you're going to guess 82. If it's 91, you're going to guess 91, okay? Because more of them than are not are equal, okay? So if you're not sure, guess. Okay, 13. What kind of angles are those?
Alternate.
Alternate interior, so they're going to be equal or adds to 180?
Equal.
Equal, so we're going to say 13x plus 2 equals 14x minus 4. Okay, we're going to move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So who needs moved?
14x.
The 14 needs moved. Who else?
The 2.
The 2 needs moved. Okay, so the 14s cancel and the 2s cancel. Okay, 13 minus 14?
Negative 1.
-1. -4 minus 2?
Negative 6.
-6. Okay, then what needs done?
Divide.
Divide by -1.
6.
So, yep, a positive 6. Okay, 15. What kind of angles are those?
Corresponding.
They're corresponding. So is that equal or adds to 180? They're equal. So x plus 86 equals 80. The other one. Okay, what needs done?
We subtract 86.
Subtract 86. So we get x equals what? -6. Okay, 17. What kind of angles are those?
Alternate.
Alternate interior. So those equal or adds to 180?
Equal.
Equal. So we're going to say x plus 115 equals 105. Okay, what needs done?
Minus 115.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna get -10.
Yeah. Why'd you put a decimal?
I didn't. My marker did. Okay, the next one, it says, are determine whether they're parallel or not. So, that's where we say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 for both of them. Okay, so it's gonna look like for AB is gonna be -8 minus -2 over -2 minus 4. Okay, and what do you get? 1? Okay, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing with the CD. Okay, so it's gonna be 5 minus 6 over 8 minus 4.
Negative 1 over 4.
-1 over 4? Okay, so are those parallel, meaning they're exactly the same? Perpendicular means they look pretty much the same, but they're flipped in a sign change, or neither, they're totally different.
Ridiculous.
How are you getting proof, Vinny?
Isn't it? Oh, yes, I read it wrong.
Okay, I'm like, what?
I read that wrong.
4, alright, you know or no?
I do know,
Okay.
I was looking at a different problem. Okay.
So you don't work ahead.
Can we go through this process?
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Like referral or,
Just do that.
okay. What?
For this one, just do that. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine, but that's not like they get a deal for either. Okay. Can you CC after the referral, can you CC me, Turner, and his basketball coach, please? Please, thank you. Yep. Y minus Y1 equals then parentheses X minus X1.
we're gonna use, oh, she took the good one. So this is gonna be x1, y1, and this is gonna be our m, okay? So y minus y1, which is what?
Hold on, what?
4 equals, so this is parallel, so we're gonna keep our 1, right? X minus x1. See, I don't know, is that a negative? Like, what is going on here?
Yeah, hold on.
It's a negative.
Yeah, it's negative.
Is that a negative?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold it back room. Sorry. So x minus minus 2?
That printed a little.
That becomes plus.
I know, yep, and that becomes a plus. Okay, and so we leave it just like that.
And then
Oh, who called?
Probably waiter, yeah. Turn off, Andrew. 5 is gonna be perp, so it's gonna be at y minus -1 equals, what happens when we flip and change? It's gonna be -5, x minus 1.
wouldn't that be a plus? Minus 1?
Yep. Okay, so we're gonna change that minus minus to a plus. Okay, 7 is gonna be y minus 5 equals, what happens to the slope? It's gonna be -2, x minus -3. Okay, what's our first step? Then from here, what's gonna be the first step to do? Plus it, and then what?
Distribution.
Distribute. Okay, so it's gonna be y minus 5 equals -2x minus 6. Boys, you guys know better to be talking about. Okay, and then what?
Add 5.
Okay.
Plus
Add 5 on both sides. Okay, so we're gonna y equals -2x minus 1. Okay, 9 is gonna be y minus 2 equals perp. So what happens when I flip that and change it? What's it gonna be? 2. Okay. X minus -1. Okay, and then we need to change that minus minus to a plus. So we get y minus 2 equals -2x minus 2. And then what?
Plus 2.
Plus 2 on both sides. So we get y equals -2x plus 0.